Hi guys, Giselle here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll talk about our personal bank account search tool. The search is commonly used by law firms, attorneys, and individuals with a court or civil judgment to collect or levy funds for debt collection, divorce, back child support, alimony, and other legal judgments. This is an investigator-assisted search. Your investigator will check if your debtor has a savings, checking, money market, mutual fund, or other type of bank account such as savings and loans or credit union nationwide. It's located under Hire Investigator, Bank Account Search, and select Personal Bank Account Search. Just fill out the form. First and last name is required, as well as the date of birth. If you have the social security number, the cost will be reduced by $20. You can also include any additional information that you think will help the investigator. And please note that you must include a reason for requesting this order, and you will also be required to submit supporting documentation. Failure to provide supporting documentation will result in the cancellation of your order. Once you are done with the form, you can click Order Now. The processing time will take 10 to 20 business days or 2 to 4 weeks, and the results typically include all the information required for a judgment holder to levy account, your subject's bank name, zip code, account balances, and any additional information garnered about your case when available. And please note that account numbers will not be provided. To check the status of your order, click the drop-down menu beside your name and go to Investigator Orders. You can click the order number to view the order details. You'll also be notified via email once your order has been completed. Thank you for watching.